Yo, what's going on, guys? Brandon here once again, coming at you with another video. This one's going to be sort of a review, but more of a heads up for you guys, okay? Because Russel Brunson is about to release his 10x secrets, okay? So this will be released on November 6th. If you're watching this after November 6th, then it's already out. So I'll have a link in the description down below for you to sign up there. Okay, but if you're watching this before November 6th, today is the 24th of October for me. So I've got about 2 weeks until this comes out. And I'm very, very, very excited for it, guys, okay? Because if you don't know who Russel Brunson is, he is the founder of Clickfunnels. And Clickfunnels is, I've recommended this to everyone. Clickfunnels is one of the best platforms on the internet that I've used, okay? It's so helpful. All the tools on there, all the training on there is insanely helpful. And Russel Brunson, everything he puts out is huge. Everything he does is so helpful. The training is always great. The product itself is always top quality stuff, okay? So that's why I'm very, very excited for 10x Secrets, because I've got so much faith in Russel Brunson, basically, guys. So if you don't know what this is, if you don't know what 10x Secrets is going to be, so basically, guys, back in February, Grant Cardone hosted this right here, the 10x Growth Conference, okay? And what this was about, basically, he was to teach people how to 10x their business within 12 months. That was the goal of the conference. And he had a bunch of people come and talk at the conference. Russell was one of these people. And what Russell did at this conference was insane, guys. Absolutely crazy. Okay, it's like nothing like this ever happened before. Russell did a 90-minute presentation, and he got over $3.2 million in sales for ClickFunnels within that 90-minute presentation. $3.2 million, guys, in sales. Just from one talk. He talked for 90 minutes and got $3.2 million in sales. That is insane. Okay, like I said, Russell is one of the best salesmen, and he knows exactly what he's talking about. He knows the ins and outs of sales, basically, guys. Okay, so that's why I'm incredibly excited for this training. That's basically what it's going to be, guys. It's basically going to be training. He's going to be telling you exactly how he did this, what he did, okay? The psychology he used during his talk, the precise sequence. It's all written down here, guys. I'm just reading it from here. So the sales psychology he used during his talk, the precise sequence and scripting that he used, the micro commitments, the pacing, the offer structure, everything that he used in that talk. He wants to teach you how he did it, how he got $3.2 million in sales, okay? So everyone who paid, everyone who bought into his what he was selling back then, that's how he made the $3 million, everything he sold there. He rewarded everyone who bought our offer a 10x growth with a private 6-hour training showing them the exact step-by-step process, okay? That's what he was selling them, basically. What he was speaking about is what he was selling them, okay? So on November 6th, that's the same thing he's going to be giving to us. That 6-hour training is what he's going to be giving to us. So he's basically going to be teaching us about ClickFunnels, how to use it, how to get money on it, and everything that we possibly need to know to make money by using his system, ClickFunnels. And there's going to be a lot of extras as well. Okay, he's updated it since February. He's updated it quite a lot. So it's not only going to be the 6-hour training. There's also going to be some added extras that they've added on now. So that's basically it, guys, okay? But like I said, I'm incredibly excited for this because it's from Russel Brunson. I trust Russell so much because everything he puts out is always the best stuff. He knows what he's talking about. I mean, $3.2 million in sales from one talk. Obviously, he knows what he's doing. And his platform, ClickFunnels, speaks for itself, guys. I use it all the time. I've actually made a video about it as well. Highly recommend ClickFunnels. Highly recommend anything from Russel Brunson. So guys, get ready for November 6th, okay? Mark your calendars, get ready for it. And if you're interested in signing up for this, guys, I'm going to have a link in the description down below. There's going to be an affiliate link, okay? So if you sign up there, enter your email. I'm going to personally email you with access, telling you how to get access to 10x Secrets. And I'm also going to be sending you over $500 worth of bonuses as well, guys, okay? So sign up using my affiliate link, and as a thank you, I guess you're going to get those bonuses, over $500 worth of free bonuses just for using my affiliate link. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you're excited. Any links that you can possibly need are going to be in the description down below, so check that before you go. Thanks for watching this video. Get ready for this. I'm really excited for it. I hope you are too. I'll see you later, guys.